I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright, then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I began. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Hello and welcome to a new vlog all the way from the Salzkammergut region in Austria. Today is our last day that we are staying in Salzburg and tomorrow we leave for Vienna. So we thought we'll utilize this day again for exploring the countryside of Austria.
Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I knew for a price. In the end, what I found.
So we are at the first destination of today, which is the Lake Mondsee. So we've just parked our car at the town and now we are searching for the entrance to the lake. It's a little tricky because the routes are not that properly marked and there are not a lot of people that we can ask around as well. So let's see, we'll figure out a way to reach the lake. And the weather is quite nice. It's still cloudy, it was drizzling and the sun came out for a couple of minutes, but then it's just been cloudy. That's the parking area, and if we take a right from there we should be at Lake Mondsee. So let's go.
No matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
So we have finally arrived at Lake Mondsee and look at how beautiful the lake is. It's so peaceful and serene out here. I honestly did not expect this to be this beautiful. It's gorgeous, and if you look at the colors of the trees, they're actually the fall colors, the autumn colors, and the leaves have also started falling down. So it's all making such a beautiful setting. And because it's cloudy, so you can see the cloud and fog on the mountain and then the greenery and the wooden houses and this mirror smooth Lake Mondsee. Absolutely beautiful, and it's very peaceful as well out here because there are just a handful of people here, mostly the locals who are out here walking their dogs around. So it's very peaceful and serene. So I think we're going to spend some time here just by ourselves. It's a very nice setting. So we spent almost an hour at Lake Mondsee. It was so beautiful. We could have just spent the entire day here, and it was cloudy at the beginning, but towards the end it became sunny. The sun has come out and it was looking simply gorgeous with the fall colors and this lake, and then there were a couple of swans just going around in the lake. It was all so beautiful. So here's the pizza and here's the...
It's called schnitzel.
Yeah.
It's chicken breast, fried chicken breast with
French fries
French
and
fries and
salad. But the good thing I think here in Europe is that the quantity that they give for every meal is pretty good. So दो लोगों में दो dishes में खाना आराम से हो जाता है. And I think both of these together will cost us around 30 euros, close to 30 euros. And obviously water is chargeable. Tap water, they don't provide tap water, they only provide mineral water for I think 3.5 euro. So we did not order water, obviously. So we are just having pizza and then we head to our next destination, which is another lake.
Hello, Liza, how do you do? I'm writing you a letter, I hope it reaches you. I know it's been a long time since you heard from me. I'm still kicking around here in Tennessee. I heard you got a new place, I heard you got a new job, I heard you got a haircut, and it looks real nice.
So we stopped at this beautiful lake called Lake Attersee, and the water here was blue, transparent. We could actually see inside the surface, the stones and the pebbles at this over here. And there's an entire village located on the other side of the lake. Again, very beautiful lake. We just stopped here for 5 minutes. I think we'll go around the lake and visit the main point of this Lake Attersee.
So all along Austria you will find these walking paths and cycling paths.
Yes.
And the people here, they're used to this active lifestyle, and you'll find many people wearing their regular cycling gear and riding their cycles around all these places. And mind you, they always wear their cycling gear to take these bikes out. They don't just, like us, they don't just take the cycles out and chalo kahin bhi.
And now we are going back to our parking lot. We stopped here for a sneak peek of Lake Attersee, and now we are going back to our car and then we'll go ahead.
That is the...
And obviously the beautiful roads. The roads here are beautiful reminders of New Zealand. But it will be wrong to compare New Zealand and Europe. But
The sky can surely take your body to a new place for a while, but some things stay no matter where you go. Do you still love me, Liza, babe? Please tell me yes or no.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. sky sometimes hides behind the clouds. Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Ooh, I wonder.
So we are at our third lake of the day, and to be honest, I don't even know what the name of this lake is. We just found something on the map and drove ourselves down to this place. The real beauty of Austria, I must say, lies in its countryside. The route that we just drove through was one of the most scenic routes I have ever taken, I've ever seen. So if you are visiting Austria or maybe anywhere in the Europe or in the Switzerland, French Alps, this region, I would really suggest rent a car and take a drive through just any place. Because if you do any tours or if you go with a group to any predetermined places, you won't be able to enjoy the beauty of this place the way you actually should.
So after stopping at Lake Attersee, we drove down to another town called, again I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Gmunden, and I'm assuming that the G is silent, so it's Mundane town, but I could be absolutely wrong. And this is our last destination for the day. We have come to another beautiful alpine lake. We have finally reached at Lake Traunsee, and it started getting cloudy already, but again this lake is also very beautiful, and there are swans and small ducks in the lake. Again, a very scenic lake, very quiet and very serene. cross this beautiful park to reach the lake Traunsee. Again, not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but the park is also very beautiful. Everything here is so beautiful, and now we are going back via the same park to our car, and then we'll drive back to Salzburg. So all in all, 2 really good days spent on the road. So our original plan was to drive the Grossglockner High Alpine Road today, which is supposed to be a very scenic route, but then because the weather is cloudy, we decided to skip that, and instead on the spur of the moment we picked some places and came to another part of the countryside. Totally worth it, and not regretting the decision a bit. I mean, this is what Austria is all about, the countryside of Austria. So today we covered 3 places, or 3 lakes rather. Lake Mondsee, Lake Attersee, and then this Lake Traunsee. And in case, so when you're planning your trip to Austria, and if you're going to be staying in Salzburg for a few days, then this is how you can cover it. Like one day you leave for Hallstatt, Bad Ischl and St. Wolfgang and St. Gilgen, and the other day you can come to this side of the country, which is the lakes that we covered today. You can easily cover today's lake in a day without rushing up. We actually started a little late today. We left our hotel, we left Salzburg at 10:30, and now the time is 4:30, and we are done with today's exploration at a very convenient pace. So I'm going to be ending the vlog here itself with the Lake Traunsee in the background. See you all in the next vlog where we are going to explore Vienna. So till then, enjoy the scenic ride back to Salzburg with us. See you, and happy traveling.